Welcome to the channel, the Fancy Pink Chick YouTube channel. And guys, do you see what's going on? There is absolutely nothing in this space that I am in, nothing but this plain white wall. Okay. Okay, let's get into that first. Guys, if you did see the title of this video, then you decided to be like, what is Fancy talking about? Do we need every girl, guy, we need everything? Do you think about that sometimes? Like when you are moving around doing whatever it is you're doing, you're like, I need that, I want that, I want this, everything. Like this video, all you're gonna get, all you're getting in this is some information, some pumpkin spice. Yes, honey, with that everything nice Temu under $20 situation, and all of the colors in your girl's dress with this beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, white wall with my untoned up arms. Okay, they don't have any more muscles in them, guys. But why am I saying all of this? Because every day that I am living, while I am new, well, can't even say new no more. I am a little content, wait a minute, let me take that back. Not even say a little. I am a content creator out here in these streets. And I am building this YouTube fam. Guys, I realized I have been the person I speak about, honey. I have been her. She has been me. We have been out here doing something, and that something is consuming everything and feeling like we need everything. And if we do not have it, honey, if I do not have it, I am in a tizzy. Now, let's just sit and digest that for a second. Sit and digest that one for a quick second. Do you need everything? And guys, I say this because I see so many videos across YouTube from the different people, the minimalistic living, the quiet luxury, honey, the flashy, the flamboyant, just like this pumpkin spice on my head with everything nice. Okay, but guys, what am I getting from all of this? What I am realizing every day that you, me, and everybody, we have to be comfortable in our own skin. We have to be comfortable in our own skin. I love a good bag. I love a good weave on every day. I love clothes, guys. I am a fashionista in my own right. If you knew me personally, baby, you have no idea how your girl can just switch it up. I can switch it up and have absolutely no problem with it. I love all genres. I love life, honey. And I'm saying this because I hope that somebody that comes across my videos, comes across my face, that baby, you too can begin to understand that it is about having the things that you need. It is about having the things that you need. And shockingly, guys, because I have so many different materialistic things, but as I am learning to declutter and to let go of things, and I have begun to learn this, guys, because of being here on YouTube and being a bag lover, collecting these bags. I am becoming so in tune with myself and realizing, like, listen, sis, you done hoarded up a few things in your life, and what we're not gonna do is hoard 600 bags, okay? We're not gonna hoard 600 pocketbooks. We're just not gonna do that. We're not gonna have 1,000 planners. And here's the thing, guys, and I shifted the camera. Here's the thing, is nothing wrong with if you're a person and there are particular things that you fancy, that you like, and you are a collector of, but don't let the things overtake you where you are now not paying or not doing said whatever, and you're sitting up here going absolutely broke as a joke, honey, broke as a joke, trying to keep up with, how they say, you're trying to keep up with the Joneses, or you're trying to keep up with a lifestyle of some sort that you're not even really accustomed to make somebody feel or have something appear to be a certain way. Guys, we are not here for that. We are here, honey, for a quick, cute bag, a slay on every day, and to live in our total truth, whatever that may be. And do not let things absorb you. Let who you be shine through, honey. If you are anything like your girl, if you can be in a space that's beautiful and pink and just luxurious, and then you can be in a situation like this, do you see nothing? There is nothing, honey, in the back of me. And of course, let's be clear, this is not, your girl is out and about and I am taking advantage of the fact that I am out and about and being able to give you guys a different background. So let's be clear. So even in saying that, I am grateful. I am so grateful of the simplest thing in life to what I feel is the most boisterous thing in life, guys. So that's part of why I'm doing this little chit chat with you guys, because do we need everything? No. Or like well, it's not do we need everything. Do you feel like you need everything? And baby, you do not. You know what you need? Do you know what you need, guys? Let's think about that. How do I say, food for thought? What you need is your health, okay? You need your health and strength. Number one, uno, dos. No health, no strength equals no life. You need your health and you need your strength, okay? And you need it to give every day, okay? And that's number one. And you need to have a sound mind, guys. You need to have a sound mind out here, because it is easy to tip over onto other sides, and we don't want to do that, right? We don't want to do that. So you need your physical health. You need your physical, mental, your mind to be stable. You need to be stabilized. And you need room and board, okay? And water. Room and board and water and food. Everything else, like, and I mean everything else, because if you owned, and somebody might be like, girl, that's extreme, but if you owned 7 different outfits, whatever they may be, if 7 of your outfits, you had 3 dresses and 2 pair of pants, with 3 dresses, so that's 5 articles right there, and 2 pair of pants, two pair of shoes and a shirt, baby, you can make it work. You can make it work. And somebody be like, well, Fancy, that's hard, that's nothing. And from a person, like, you know, When it comes to clothing and things, I have more than enough. But guys, what you don't know is I am on a personal journey. I am on a personal journey, and what has opened this up is me being here on YouTube. Me being here on YouTube and collecting these bags. Collecting these bags has opened a whole new world for your girl. And that is like, sis, wait a minute. You need to analyze. You need to analyze your stuff. I have more than enough of any and everything. And I'm like, this is too much. It is too much, because what I am realizing, and it's taken so long, I have so many things that, guess what? I'm not really using any of them. Like, I'm really not. The things that I will get in, like when I get a new bag, guys, I have been so into, oh, I got this new bag and I'm talking about that bag and I'm using that bag, that what I got 2 months ago, or God help me if I got a bag 8 months ago, baby, it's sitting over there somewhere. Just sitting over there somewhere chilling. And that is a thing, guys, of what I am saying. Like, do you need everything? No, you don't need everything. You want everything. You want everything. But when we realize that we are doing this, you're not even using, like, really, realistically, you're not even using 75%, 80% of this stuff. You're not using. You're reaching for the things that you really like, or the things that you really like, or what's quick and right there that you don't have to do too much thinking about. Those are the things that you're gravitating to. So all of the other stuff is just sitting. It is just sitting. So guys, I would be the first one to admit, what I've done and how I am doing. So let's get on a journey together, honey. Let's get on a journey together to do what, babe? Do what, guys? Do better. Let's do better. We don't need everything. We don't need everything. We want everything. But let's start doing more appreciation. Okay, so guys, if you was here for this little video, okay, in this little space, I don't know about this little space often, because your girl loves her pinkness. I am a pink girl and I love my pinkness. So guys, until the next time, bye for now.